Today, you will learn how to open recently closed Word documents, both saved and unsaved. Let's start with the easiest method. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word opens, look at the left side of the screen. You will usually see a section called Recent. This area displays documents that you have opened recently. Simply find the document you want and click on it. Word will immediately reopen that file for you. To change how many recent documents appear in Microsoft Word, go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll to Display, enter a number from 0 to 50 in Show this number of recent documents, and click OK. If you cannot find your file, there is another option. Click File, then Open, and look for an option called Recover Unsaved Documents. This feature can help you find files that were never saved before Word closed unexpectedly. Open the file if you find it and save it right away with a proper file name and location. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.